Encountered a file with just an Excel extension and Excel doesn't seem to open it normally? This is an unusual truncated extension that may indicate an old or corrupted Excel file. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you identify and open these Excel spreadsheet files. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading Excel file inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. A legacy file extension associated with early versions of Microsoft Excel, particularly versions 3.0 and 4.0. Users typically encounter these files when dealing with very old archives or business data. Modern versions of Excel can still open Excel files, but often in a protected view due to security risks from old macro formats. The Excel format is a precursor to the modern BIFF, binary interchange file format, structure used in later XLS files. It stores worksheet data, charts, and macros in a proprietary binary structure optimized for the memory and processing constraints of early 1990s computers. Its design is not easily human-readable. The industry standard application for Excel is considered to be Microsoft Excel from Microsoft Corporation. The file requires specific internal validation routines that only the proprietary software performs. Windows may preview the grid layout, but actual data work requires spreadsheet utilities. We're going to use the list of installed programs to find the match. Right-click your Excel file, then click Open With. Test Microsoft Excel if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. Methodical testing works. If the Excel file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Since the application couldn't handle the Excel file, we shift focus. I want you to perform these 3 essential recovery steps immediately. First, opening directly in Excel. Try opening the Excel file directly in Microsoft Excel using File then Open. Excel can usually identify and open the file based on its internal structure regardless of the truncated extension. If Excel prompts about file format mismatch, click Yes to proceed and view the workbook contents. Next, renaming to standard extension. Make a copy of the Excel file and rename the extension to .xls or .xlx based on the suspected file age. Excel files from older systems are typically XLS, while newer ones may be XLSX. After renaming, open in Excel LibreOffice Calc or Google Sheets, which will read the workbook normally. Finally, using file identification tools. If the file fails to open, use a file identification tool like TryD, or examine the file header in a hex editor. The first bytes reveal the actual format. D0CF11E0 indicates compound document XLS, while PK indicates zip-based XLSX. Rename to the matching extension for proper opening. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.